Will not take you long time. Just ready for the practice. I'm turn offing the comments. So get ready for all. Turning on the lights. Namaste. Welcome to all for the core practice. We'll start the session with the meditation first. So we'll start the session with the meditation. So sit in the any comfortable pose. Bring your palms on the knee. Let them relax your shoulder and gently close your eyes. With your closed eyes, take 5 deep inhalation. Inhale. Long exhale. Breathe in deeper. Breathe out longer. Inhale deeper. Exhale longer. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Let's start with the 3 round of the Om chanting. So can you bring your palm center of the heart in the prayer pose? Bring your thumb center of the heart. We'll chant Om 3 round for beginning of the session. Inhale. Welcome to all the core class. So I'll just tell you, the core practice, it's help you to strong your core muscles and boost your immune system, and it's a help you to tone up your abdominal muscles, and it also is to boost your energy in your arms and make the strong your arms. So I start the session with the 2 round of the strong breathing practice called the Kapalbhati. So when we practice the Kapalbhati, your exhalation forcefully, right? So means your inhalation active and your exhalation become passive. So when you exhale, just give the force, just active exhalation, and your naturally your inhalation has pain. Focus below of the navel. To as you exhale, let the contract. Remember, prefer the nostril, not the mouth. If you have the blocked nostril, you can prefer, but I always prefer the nostril during the Kapalbhati. So bring your palms on the knee. We'll start together. We'll practice the 1 minute. Take a deep inhale and start. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 19, 18, 20, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Inhale through nostril. Breathe out through mouth. 1 more round. Inhale through nostril. Exhale through your mouth. Now 2nd round. Take a deep inhale and start together. Continue forcefully. Exhale, 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 exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale, and relax. Interlace your 10 finger and inhale, stretch your arms up, elbow straight, palm facing up. Just a stretch side to side. Inhale and a straight to the right. Exhale. Inhale, center and a straight to the left. Exhale. Inhale, center and a straight to the right. Exhale. Inhale, center and a straight to the left. Exhale. Inhale, center and relax. Go the twisting. Bring your right palms on the left knee. Twist your left. Exhale. Inhale, look front. Twist to the right. Left palms on the right knee. Right palms behind. Exhale. Inhale, look front. One more round. Twist to your left. Right palms on the left knee. Left palms behind. Exhale. Inhale, look front. Change to the right. Left palms on the right knee. Right palms behind. Exhale. Inhale, center. And just bend forward, stretch your spine. Inhale, come up and relax. Stretch your leg forward, just say. And relax. Cross your ankle and stand on the mat. Now, next we'll go the lateral stretching first. So, legs apart. Both feet edge of the mat. Take a deep inhale, stretch your right arms up. Belly drawn in. So no arch of the spine. Try to belly in to engage here to keep your lumbar spine straight and strong your spinal muscles. Lengthening your spine. Inhale. Stretch your right hand and as you exhale, go to the left. Breathe. Elbow straight. Either you look your left heel or look up the ceiling for 10 breathing. Inhale and exhale. 9. Stretch and breathe. 8. 7. 6 more. Just go down. Lower down. 5. Stretch and breathe. 4. 3. 2. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. Change your side. Inhale, stretch your left arms up. Belly drawing to engage here. Stretch your left arms. Inhale. And exhale down to the right. Breathe. Straight your arms. Elbow straight. Palm facing on the ground. Look your right heel. Or look up the ceiling and stay there. Feel the nice stretch. This is your lateral stretching of the spine. Breathe in and breathe out for 7. Inhale and exhale. 6 more. Inhale and exhale. 5. 4. Last 3. 2. Inhale, come out. Exhale. One more round. Stretch your right arms up. Inhale. Tuck in. Belly draw in. Tuck in is not create that too much time. Just try to keep your spine straight and engage your core. Inhale and exhale down. Breathe, elbow straight, knee straight. Breathe, lift your chest up, chin up, or look down. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale, lower down. 10. Lower down. 9. Breathe in and breathe out. 8. Keep lifting your chest up. 7 more. Gently push your hip forward and rotate your right shoulder back. 5. Push your shoulder back, look up. Inhale and exhale. 4. Last 3. 2. Inhale, come up. Exhale. Change side. Stretch your left arms up. Inhale. Belly in. Strengthening your spine. And exhale down to the right. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Engage your arms. Knees straight. Breathe in and breathe out. Lift your chest up. Roll your left shoulder back. Look up or look your right heels. Stay there. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. 9. Lower down. 8. 7. Continue breathing. 6 more. Last 5. 4. 3. 2. Inhale. Come up. Exhale. Bend forward. Catch your ankle. Then stretch it. Stretch your lower back and stretch your hamstring. Breathe in and breathe out. You can bring your both hands behind, interlock, and stretch your shoulder here for 5, Can you transfer your body weight front of the foot to lengthening your spine? Last 4 breathing. Keep on stretching your shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Last 4. 3, 2. Inhale, release your hands. Palms on the lower back, come up and relax. Come in front of me. Now, next round we are going to practice the sun salutation. This practice the 5 round of the sun salutation. So remember, I just tell you, those who can jump, throw back in the chaturanga, and upper dog, downward dog, and jump forward. Those who not able to jump back, just one by one step up your leg back. You can do chaturanga fine. If cannot, drop the knee, chest, and chin stanga, and cobra, downward dog, and one by one walk your leg forward. Or those who can jump back chaturanga and jump forward. Okay? Come in front of your mat. Legs together. Join your palms in your heart center. Inhale. Long exhale. Take a deep inhale. Raise your arms up. Arch. Bend forward. Catch your ankle. Forehead on the knee. Exhale. Palms on the mat. Look up. Inhale. Those who can jump back chaturanga. If cannot, one by one leg back. Ashtanga. Knee, chest, and chin. Inhale. Cobra. Or upper dog. Exhale. Downward dog. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Those who can, lift your heels up, look up, micro bend your knee, push your palms to jump forward. If you cannot, one by one, both legs forward, catch your ankle, forehead on the knee, exhale. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch, exhale. 2 more rounds. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch, bend forward, catch your ankle, forehead on the knee, exhale. Palms on the mat, look up, inhale, push your palms to chaturanga, exhale. Roll forward, upper dog, inhale, back to downward dog, exhale. Breathe. 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 Lift your chin up, both heels up, bend your knee, push your palms to the mat, jump forward, inhale, leg together, forehead on the knee, exhale. Inhale, raise your arms up straight, exhale. 1 more round. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch, bend forward, catch your ankle, forehead on the knee, exhale. Palms on the mat, look up, inhale, jump back, push your palms to chaturanga, exhale. Roll forward, inhale, upper dog, back to downward dog, exhale. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Lift your both heels up, bend your knee, push your palms, look up, jump forward, inhale, catch your ankle, forehead on the knee, exhale. Inhale, raise your arms up, arch, exhale. Now next 2 rounds of the sun salutation will follow the vinyasa. Utkatasana, bend your knee, inhale, raise your arms up, bend forward, catch your ankle, forehead on the knee, exhale. Palms on the mat, look up, inhale, push your palms to chaturanga, exhale. Roll forward, upper dog, inhale, back to downward dog, exhale. Right leg forward, warrior 1, drop the left heel, bend your knee, hip down, belly in, chest up, raise your arms up. Drop your palms, chaturanga, right leg back, exhale. Roll forward, upper dog, inhale, back to downward dog, exhale. Left leg forward, drop the right heel, belly draw in, lift your belly, chest up, palms together, look your thumb, inhale. Drop your palms, left leg back, chaturanga, exhale. Roll forward, upper dog, inhale, back to downward dog, exhale. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Lift your chin up. Press your palms on the mat. Lift your both heels, bend your knee, jump forward. Inhale. Forehead on the knee, exhale. Bend your knee, Utkatasana, inhale. Samasthiti, exhale. 1 more round. Bend your knee, Utkatasana, inhale. Bend forward, catch your ankle, forehead on the knee, exhale. Palms on the mat, look up, inhale. Push your palms to Chaturanga, exhale. Roll forward, upward dog, inhale. Back to downward dog, exhale. Right leg forward, warrior one. Drop the left hip down, belly in. Stretch your arms up. Look your thumb for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your palms, Chaturanga, exhale. Roll forward, upward dog, inhale. Back to downward dog, exhale. Left leg forward, drop the right hip down, belly in, core active. Push your right hip forward, hands up, inhale and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Drop your palms, inhale, Chaturanga, exhale. Roll forward, inhale, downward dog, exhale. Breathe. It's grounded. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Drop the knee, come to the child. Take 3 breaths. Two more breathing. And come up. Now next round we will go into the practice the plank round. So this round we'll go the plank to downward dog and downward dog to plank. So I'll just tell you, when you practice the plank, then your hands on your shoulder level. Don't go the wider. Maintain your hands in your shoulder level. If you have any kinds of your wrist pain or shoulder injury, you can drop the elbow and just hold here. No need to move back to, okay? You can drop the elbow and move to the dolphin and to the half plank, okay? Or if you have not, just stay there. Remember, to middle finger pointing forward, your inner elbow not pointing forward, bring the inner elbow facing each other. Push your palms here, your shoulder away from the ear. Push your palms to chest up and get in, okay? Once you're done here, push up. Once you're done, then hold. Knee one by one up and breathe. Remember, your hip lower than your shoulder. Your hip not going higher than your shoulder. Your hip lower than your shoulder. Once you here, inhale, push your hip back to downward dog. Once you're ready, let's go for 10 rounds of the practice. Come to the plank. Lift your both heels up. Push your shoulder over your wrist. Belly in, chest up, shoulder away from the ear for 5, 4, strong your arms, 3, 2 and 1. Downward dog, exhale. Second round, inhale, come to the plank, push your shoulder over the wrist, belly in, chest up and hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Downward dog, exhale. Third round, inhale, come to plank, hold here, breathe, belly in, chest up, shoulder forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Downward dog, exhale. Fourth round, inhale, come to plank, hold. 5, 4, core active, 3, arms active, 2 and 1. Downward dog, exhale. Fifth round, inhale, come to plank, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Downward dog, exhale. Sixth round, inhale, come to plank, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Downward dog, exhale. Seventh round, inhale, come to plank, hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Downward dog, exhale. Eighth round, inhale, come to plank, hold. 8, 7, 6, 5, breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Downward dog, exhale. Ninth round, inhale, come to plank, hold. 9, 8, 7, 6 more. 5. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Downward dog. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Come to plank. Hold. 10, 9. Just engage. 8. Core engage. 7, 6 more. Keep engaging here. 5. Belly draw in. Push your palm. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Downward dog. Drop the knee to the spine. Just relax. 3 breaths. And come back. Now next we are going to focus your this region, your belly, from behind your lower, your pelvis and your thigh region. So what you do here, stretch your both legs forward. Here. Palms behind back. Drop the elbow. Hold. Stretch your inhale up and exhale a stretch. But leg not touching on the mat. Inhale up, bend your knee, exhale. 2. Inhale, bend your knee, exhale. 3. Inhale, bend your knee, exhale. 4. Inhale up, bend your knee, exhale. 5. Inhale up, bend your knee, exhale. 6. Inhale up, bend your knee, exhale. 7. Inhale up, bend your knee, exhale. 8. Inhale up, bend your knee, exhale. 9. Inhale up, bend your knee, exhale. 10. Hold, push your lumbar spine to the mat and hands up. 10, 9, 8, 7, contract. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, exhale. Hug your leg. Breathe in and breathe out. Roll your body left and right. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Leg is straight here. Open your leg, both ends edge of the mat. Bring your both hands above your head here. So first we are going to the right leg. So right leg up and both hands up and touch here. Like this. And then inhale, go back. Continue with the right leg. Right leg up and touch and go back. Okay, so we'll go the 10 round. Take a deep inhale and start. Exhale. Inhale, go back. 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 5 more round. Exhale. Inhale, go back. Exhale. Inhale, go back. 3 more. Exhale. Inhale, go back. 2 more. Exhale. Inhale, go back. 1 more. Exhale. Inhale, go back and relax. 3 breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 1 more. Inhale and exhale. And relax. Change side. So on this round we go the left leg. Both hands above the head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Left leg up. Inhale, go back. Exhale 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 up. Inhale, go back. 4 more round. Exhale up. Inhale, go back. Exhale up. Inhale, go back. 2 more. Exhale up. Inhale, go back. 1 more. Exhale up. Inhale, go back and relax. Hug your leg. Breathe. Take 3 breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale and relax here. Now next round we'll go the again but contraction here and engage your abdominal muscles here. So what you do here? Lift your right leg up, flex,
Inhale, lift your head up, shoulder up, left leg off the mat and stretch your hand. So this round hold here and breathe. So when you hold it here, try to engage your abdominal muscle, that is your toning. Breathe and push your lumbar spine to the mat, that you are strengthening your spinal muscles. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Hug your leg. Breathe in and breathe out. Change the leg. Inhale, left leg up and stretch your right and breathe. Push your lumbar spine to the mat. Contract your core muscles. Lift your shoulders, stretch your hand. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7. Keep engaged here. 6 more. Engage your abdominal muscles to push your lumbar spine to the mat. 6, 5. Breathe in, breathe out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. So now this round we go the moment. Inhale up, stretch your right leg, stretch your left leg and a stop moment here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, continue, 18, 19, 20, continue, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, continue, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Hug your leg. Roll left and right. Roll left and right. Breathe in and breathe out. Bend your feet on the ground. Inhale, hip up. Contract your back, contract your thigh, contract your abdominal muscles. Exhale down. 2 more rounds. Inhale, hip up. Engage your lower body. Press your foot on the mat. Engage your gluteus muscles and your butt. Exhale down. 1 more round. Inhale up and stay here for 5, 4, go higher, 3, 2 and exhale and relax. Hug your leg. Roll forward, come up and sit on the mat. Now we have done this part practice. Now next again we are going to the moving on the shoulder strength. So we remember the plank. Just now we do the plank and downward dog. So next round again we'll go in the plank hold. Now this round in the plank to working your core strengthening your arms. Right, arms and your shoulder and chest. This region working. Once you this region working, naturally your core muscles active. And always try to engage the abdominal muscles to pull your belly in towards the spine. That is your contraction. Right. So what you do here, when doing the plank, do the tap shoulder. Right shoulder touching on the left shoulder and left shoulder touching on the right shoulder. And that's help to strengthening your shoulder. So what you do here, come to plank. Like this. Ready? Once you here, touch your right palms on the left shoulder down and bring your left palms on your right shoulder down. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, continue, 15, 16, continue, 17, 18, continue, 19, 20, 19, 18, 20, 16, 15, 14, continue, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax to the top. 3 breath. 2 more breathing. 1 more breath. Inhale, come up. Drop the elbow one by one. Interlock. Elbow under the shoulder. Push your shoulder forward. Hip up. Hold it. Belly in. Stay and breathe. Engage. Push your shoulder forward. This is called the half plank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Charge. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, come up. Lie down on the chest. Bend your both knee. Dhanurasana, bow pose. Bring your both hands behind. Catch your ankle. Take a deep inhale. Kick your leg back. Look up. Your thigh off the mat. Exhale down. 2 more rounds. Inhale up. Stretch. Push your thigh off the mat. Exhale down. Now from here, those who want to go the wheel pose, you just turn back to the spine and practice the wheel. Or those who want to continue the Dhanurasana, bow pose, stay here. Last round. So this round, go up and stay 10 breath. Inhale. Kick your thigh off and stay. 10. Go higher. 9. 8. Stretch and breathe. 7. Chin up. 6 more. 5. Stretch higher. 4. 3, 2, and relax. Exhale. Those who are the wheel, hug your leg, or those who can, push your palm, come to the top. Inhale, round your spine, come up. Stretch your leg forward. Leg together. Inhale, raise your arms up, stretch. Bend forward, exhale. Hold it. Stay and breathe. Give the nice stretch to your lower back. Keep on stretching your spine. 6 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. 5. 4. 3 more. 2 and inhale and relax. Cross your ankle. Here. Sit here. Now next we are going to the practice the inversion, the handstand practice. So I'll give you the option, right? So those who are not able to do the handstand L-shape practice, what you do, just lie down on the mat and lift your both legs up and both legs down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. If you have any kinds of low back injury, bring your palms under your butt and push your lumbar spine to the mat. Inhale up and exhale down. Okay? Those who want to join the handstand L-shape of the practice, first go the measurement of the distance. So your heel touching on the wall and knee straight. Watch your sitting bones to the heel. This is your distance. Your palms next to your sitting bones. Push your palms and just come up. Here. You can make the small downward dog here. Right. So you press your palms, push up and walk your leg up like this and hold. If you can, one leg up. If you can, change your leg. Okay? Those who choose to go up, you just go up. Or those who have, wherever you practice, you have a space. If you want to kick up, just go to here, inhale, up and hold. And if you can, kick up other leg and hold here. Keep drawing your belly into lengthening your spine. Those who are not able to practice the handstand L-shape, just lie down hands up, and you can lift your both legs up and exhale both legs up. Inhale, both legs up and exhale both legs up. Okay? Go on. This is your last practice. So if you continue in the handstand, just stay in the handstand. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep drawing your belly in. You can stretch your leg. Hold. Keep lengthening your spine. Engage your belly, engage your thigh. Push up. Hold and breathe. 10 breathing. Inhale and exhale. 9. 8 more. 7. 6 more. Last 5. 4. 3. 2. And slowly come back. And relax to the charts. And come on. Sit as good. We have done the strengthening a lot for the lots of pressure go over the wrist and shoulder. So we'll go the little counter stretch of the wrist first. So what will you turn your wrist to stretch? 5, 4, 3, 2, and come back. Chalo, just sit. Bring your right hand forward, hold, and stretch your shoulder. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Change. 5, 4. Continue breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Left hand up and stretch your neck. 5, 4, 3, 2, and come back. Chin sides. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. And relax. Now next go the relaxation of the lower back with the twisting. So what you do, lie down on the back and point your like eagle leg. Bring your right leg top of the left. Point the like eagle. And twist your left side. Left palms on the knee. Drop the knee to the left. Turn your head on the right and stretch your right hand. Stay here. Breathe in and breathe out. Give the nice relaxation in your lower back and feel the nice stretching. 6 breath. 5. Straight and give the nice feel the stretch in lower back. Try to feel your breath from the lower back. Inhale and exhale to release the tension and feel the nice kind of stretching. Last 5 breaths. 4. 3 more breaths. 2. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. Change your side. Left leg, top of the right. Bind and twist your right side. Right palms on the knee. Turn your head to the left and stretch your left. Stay there. Keep the stretching on your lower back. Breathe in and breathe out. 5 breaths. Last 4 breathing. Last 3 more breaths. 2 more breathing. 1 more breath. Inhale, come. Exhale and relax. Hug your leg. Roll left and right. Head up, forehead on the knee. Roll forward and back. and relax. Just lie down on the mat. So this round we go the Savasana. Legs apart, hands apart, palm facing up and close your eyes. Just relax here. Breathe in and breathe out. Stay and breathe. Just feel the relax here. Inhale and exhale. Relax your mind, body and your breath. Feel the lightness. Your physical body. Feel the difference of the energy. Feel the changes what you made in last 40 minutes on your practice. Just feel relaxed. Try to focus on your navel. Let the navel in and let the navel out. To help you to restore your energy, restore your prana and restore your chi in your physical body. It gives you all benefit what you done last 40 minutes on your practice. Take a deep inhale, long exhale. Breathe in deeper, breathe out longer. Inhale, exhale. Just relax. Join your legs together, bring your hands above your head. Interlace your 10 fingers. Give a nice stretch. Your full body from tip of your toes to your tip of the fingers. Stretch and breathe. Feel the relax, feel the lightness. Bend your knee. Roll your body to the right side. Head top of your right shoulder. With support of your palms, please come up and sit on the mat. Remain your eyes closed, palms together in your heart center. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. With beautiful smile on your face, gently open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you so much. Thank you very much to make your effort to join my class. Thank you so much. And have a good day to all. Have a nice day to all. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the class.